GoPro is about to release its third 360 camera, the Max 2. We already knew it was coming 1 year ago when the first ever image came out. We expected it to release along with the Hero 13 and regular Hero, but it didn't come out. But a few days ago, GoPro unexpectedly posted 2 teaser images of the Max 2. So, in my opinion, it could potentially be released in late August along with the Hero 14, since they've always updated their cameras yearly in that period. The shape remains similar to the original Max, but the design is slightly different, featuring a heatsink helping to dissipate heat and improve performance. It also looks like the additional protective lenses are different, and hopefully they will also be removable like the ones available for the latest Insta360 cameras. As for the camera specs, we don't have a leaked spec sheet yet, but the sensor looks a lot larger than the 1/2.3 inches of the Max 1, and it's also placed at the center of the body. Unfortunately, we don't have an image showing the back of the camera where the screen is located, but it will surely come out in the next few weeks, so subscribe to not miss the new updates. Compared to the Max 1, it will also support the new magnetic mount introduced last year with the Hero 13 and new software features and modes. It looks really similar to the Osmo 360, which will be released very soon too. The launch is set for the 31st of July, and it will be its main competitor along with the X5 from Insta360. So make sure you're subscribed to not miss any update on drone and photography leaks, and drop a like if this video was helpful.